Hello, we're the Skin and Blisters sisters.
Hello.
The singing sisters. You can find us on Twitter at SkinBlisterLove.
And here on YouTube. Yeah, and here we are. Yeah. And we've got something fabulous to show you today.
Yeah, it is brilliant. It's brilliant. I've seen it before.
If you're into makeup, wearing makeup, using brushes, then you need to see this.
Because Rosie is our hair and makeup expert. She was trained at Shepperton Studios at Brushstroke.
Yes, I was.
So she knows what she's talking about.
Yes, I'm a working makeup artist. And the big thing that I always tell people is ask them is how do you clean your brushes? And about 6 out of 10 people say,
I don't.
What? Clean your brushes. And I clean my brushes all the time. After every job, I clean everything meticulously because I can't use a brush that's been used on someone else and then go, oh yeah, I'll just use it on you, it doesn't matter.
No,
and
you can't do that, it's hygiene.
And exactly the same thing with your own brushes. So most people wash their brushes once every 4 weeks. That's still wrong. If it's a foundation brush, you need to wash it after every time you use it.
I've got a secret. I don't wash mine that much, but Rosie's trained me quite a lot in how I should do this. But this is very unusual. I just want to say, it's a very unusual video because most makeup artists focus on the product, don't they? How you make yourself look beautiful. They don't look at the hygiene issue. I think this is very important.
So if you're using the same brush every day for 4 weeks and then you suddenly get some spots, well, it won't be suddenly, it'll be after like a week, that's probably down to hygiene of your brushes. So I have found this amazing product that I'm going to show you, and it's called the Stylpro Makeup Brush Cleaner and Dryer. Now I spend hours cleaning brushes and I leave them overnight. Well, I used to leave them overnight to dry. Not anymore.
This is amazing.
Not anymore.
Amazing.
Because the Stylpro brush cleaner, it was invented by Tom Pellereau. I think that's how you pronounce
the
it.
inventor Tom.
Who was on The Apprentice.
The Apprentice, yes. We've met Tom.
We've met Tom.
He has
lovely.
personally demonstrated this to us.
Yes. So he's invented this product he was on TV a lot, he was talking to makeup artists and he suddenly said, oh, how do you clean your brushes? And they're like, it takes ages. Clean them, we brush them, we dry them, then we leave them overnight to dry. And he was like, oh, the brain started worrying. Why a makeup artist didn't come up with this, I don't know. Why didn't we think of this?
I wish I had.
However, we didn't. So he's invented this amazing brush cleaning and dryer system. And you can buy it on styletom.com. And it costs £49.99. It looks like a goldfish bowl, doesn't it? It comes in all these different...
Is it a crystal ball? Does it tell me if we're going to win the lottery?
Oh, get your numbers. No.
Mommy would like that.
Mommy would love this.
Yeah, she would.
So it comes in all these different attachments. I'll show you how to use them. So you plop that on there, little goldfish bowl head. And then you got the Stylpro Makeup Brush Cleanser. So you take a little bit of that. I'm not going to go into the ingredients of this. I've used all sorts of things over the years. You pop a little bit of that in there. Look how lovely and clean that is. Oh, isn't that lovely?
You could swim in there.
I have got...
Maybe not.
I have got a dirty brush. Look at that. I used that today.
Mine are much dirtier than that. I could have got you a dirtier one than that.
Oh, we should have done that. Oh, it doesn't matter. This has got a load of foundation in it, all caked in. I've been using it on someone today. So what you do is you got all these different little rubber attachments.
Sized oracles.
Yes. And
Orifices.
you find the one that fits, as with most things in life. So I've got that one in there. I've also got this one, which is really caked in concealer.
You put them all in together?
No, you can't. I'm just showing you the different attachments.
I thought you just put them all in
all
together.
different sizes. So there's always one that will fit one. That actually isn't great in there. So that one's brilliant in there. Brilliant. So then you take it off this little attachment thing, and you've got a worry
really
thing.
That's really dirty, actually.
That one's really dirty. I know.
This would be good.
That worked hard today, that brush.
Yeah, I know.
And you've got this little worry thing. The little light comes on.
It's like a
So that little thing comes off. It
thing.
comes off in different attachments. So what you do is you get that fits into the end of every single one of those.
Oh, they come off. Oh,
Yes,
see that they
yes,
come
yes,
off.
yes, yes.
They come
all
off.
come off. every single one of those comes
Oh,
off.
it's like one of those kiddie games.
Yeah. So you plop that in there. You dunk. See how lovely and how lovely and clean.
Yeah, look how
Oh,
clean,
look how lovely and
clear
clean
it
that is.
This is
Oh,
a key
it's
point
lovely.
in this video.
And you dunkity dunk dunk dunk. Look
Oh,
how
it's
not clean.
Now very dirty.
Look how not clean that is.
Dirty brush, Rosie. Dirty,
Dirty. It's not
brush.
very dirty for long. And what you do is you give it a good old whiz around in the bowl. And the reason it's got that little cup thing is to stop it going
Yes, it
everywhere.
sounds a bit worried
I
about
whiz
that.
it around like that. Whiz, 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 whiz.
Would you? Was that the only amount of water you?
Yeah, that's
sorry,
all you
liquid,
need.
special cleaning liquid. you
Special
put in?
cleaning liquid. That's all you need. And that will clean every single brush.
Really?
Every
That's
single
very
brush.
good. How much is the cleaning fluid?
It's about £9.99
Okay.
a bottle. So I used to be able to buy it just on styltom.com. And since researching today, I've discovered, and look, it's now drying. I've taken it out of the liquid, and it's now drying. So you leave it there for a little bit, buzz, 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 gives you a nice little tingle down the arm. And so I've discovered that you can buy it on boots.com now, and there's a specialist makeup website called Pam, so you can buy it on Pam. I think it's .co.uk. Lots of places. Just Google and stuff. So then, once you've left it dry a little bit, turn it off. Now, obviously that is liquid. That brush was wet. That brush was dirty.
Oh, it's so dry and soft and clean.
Isn't it lovely?
It is. That's amazing.
It's as good as new.
It is amazing. It's like you just bought it.
It's a miracle.
It is. It is. It's brilliant.
Inventor Tom, you are the Dom.
Oh,
Isn't he amazing?
he is amazing.
So I'm going to take that. Ooh, that was a nice noise as well. Nice noise. And my lovely little.
That is amazing.
Actually, this brush is by Real Techniques. The Pixie Woo sisters invented these with the Real Techniques people. And they must be the best-selling brushes in the whole of the world by now. They're lovely. They're synthetic. They're not made of real hair, so they're very, very nice. So that comes off there, as it says, all in little attachments. Take that little plastic bit out, and then that brush that I showed you earlier, which is really actually quite filthy.
Can't wait to
Caked.
see this
It's
one.
caked,
Can't wait.
caked in stuff. So I'd give that a little dunk. You can already see a bit of the makeup coming off. Then you plop that in there. Whizzity whiz whiz. Because it's a smaller brush, it doesn't actually need as long. What it's doing is it's putting the brush cleaner right up into the bristles, so it's cleaning it all the way up to the top of the brush. So it's really giving it a good cleanse. And then you take it out.
Let
Let
it
it
dry.
go.
Watch that doesn't splash on you.
There's technical terms for this, like oscillating. It's
Oscillate.
so many spins per second. It's very fast. And then
Now this was a very dirty brush. I wouldn't have even touched it.
have a look at that. Feel that.
That's amazing. That is amazing. I need to get one of these.
Yeah.
Inventor
50
Tom,
times.
can you do me a special deal, please?
Yes, I need to set up. We need to set up our own
Rosie
shop.
wants to be a reseller for this. You will be soon.
So yeah, it's amazing. Honestly, it used to take me hours cleaning the brushes because I would put them in my liquid that I use. Then I would use like a bit of fairy liquid, lather them up, clean them,
that. It's
rinse them.
disgusting.
It sounds so boring. Rinse them, then I'd have to dry them, and then I'd have to leave them overnight to dry.
I know.
No,
I know.
I
It would
mean-
take for ages. That's brilliant.
I don't want to sound like cheesy.
I do need one of these.
No, I actually look forward to cleaning my brushes.
I do need to get one
So
of these.
go and bring out your brushes. I could do a brush cleaning service.
Yes,
while
well,
I-
you could do. Is that free for me tonight?
Tonight,
Yes.
You've
Normally
ours.
she charges for that.
But it's amazing. These little things have
There we go. Stylpro.
Changed my life.
Stylpro is what it is. Yes. As a
Stylpro.com.
professional makeup artist, it would change your life because you're having to do them every night.
Yes. There's also a lot of makeup artists out there who still probably don't know about this. Who should?
Yes, they should.
Because it's not just about cleaning your brush, isn't it lovely and fast? It's about hygiene. I don't want to go and do anyone's makeup knowing that my brushes aren't quite as clean
your
as they should
brushes
be.
are immaculate.
Aren't they? So I've just got these ones to go. It's like a before and after.
Look, it is. Look.
Dirty,
They are amazing.
clean. and lovely and soft.
Yes.
Oh, so anyway, that's just what I wanted to show you today. So
Okay.
don't forget, we also sing, maybe not in this little demo,
Yes.
but we are Skin and Blister Sisters.
And rosiescottmakeup.com.
See you soon.
Bye.